Here is how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can see the people that viewed your profile on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, go to your Facebook profile. Before going any further, let me remind you that you can see the people that viewed your profile on Facebook by turning on professional mode. However, if you don't turn on the professional mode, you won't be able to see the people that viewed your Facebook profile. So in order to turn on the professional mode, tap on the three dots on the right side of edit profile. Then on the bottom you will find turn on professional mode. Tap on it, then tap on turn on. After loading for a few seconds, it will take you to a screen like this. Then tap on continue. You can simply go back at this stage and the professional mode will be enabled on your Facebook profile. After you have turned on the professional mode, go to see dashboard. Then after tap on see more insights. At this stage you will find data related to how your account is performing. If you find any number on the read section, that means that number of people have checked on your profile. Similarly, there are other details related to various data such as content published, engagement, net followers and so on. So in this way you can check how many people viewed your Facebook profile by turning on professional mode and then going to insights. I hope you found this video a bit helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.